female took a liquor shot. Got a tenant tag. She about swerved into me. Don't light up a cigarette. Throw that out. Turn the car off.
What happened?
I'm stopping because I saw you just drink that liquor bottle, the shot.
No.
Yep, saw you put it in your mouth and tilt your head back. Okay. Where'd you put the...
0 oras, yan say situatium bilkultan sa ugayi.
Officer observed Karta Hai ko driver any choti si liquor bottle ka shotlia or gari erratically drive ho rahi hai. AAP notice carrying kais at Kota SA shot be legal storm create car sakta high. DUI cases main actual driving behavior or recent consumption dono critical ode hain. J's high stop initiate hoda high. Officer touring command dita high. Don't light up the cigarette.
Out.
Yes, surf authorities show Karnanahi, yet control established Karna Hoda High. Traffic stop ko first seconds main high officer scene dominance, secure Karta High.
Kyan?
Kyunki uncertainty sabs bada risk Hodi High. Officer clearly bolta high kus and bottle ko mouth tack jate deka. Yeah, eyewitness observation probable cause build Karta High.
Shat hi un la funtek gava bi mentian hota hai.
AAP Kia Sakti Hain. Kia yes surf tag cover ka stop the officer already DUI suspicion par focus car chukada? Yahan deki har second ka impact kitna critical high. Driver deny karti high. No open container. Lekan officer smell or visual observation dono site karta high. DUI investigation main. Odor of alcohol ek documented indicator hoda high. Short summary. Officer any driving pattern plus open container plus direct consumption observe Kia.
Up investigation escalate hone vali hai.
Abdeki decision ka affect Kai's unfold hoda high.
Shot at.
Do you have warrant?
I'm stopping you because you had an unlawful tag cover.
What tag cover?
The tag cover over your plate that's tinted.
No.
Obstructs the visibility of your plate.
Tinted.
Plus, you can't be in possession of an open container while operating the vehicle.
No open container.
I saw you drink it.
I have.
It was a small shot-sized bottle. You put it in your mouth, tilt your head back. I saw the liquid go into your mouth, like a orangish or a yellowish liquor.
Okay.
And I can smell the alcohol.
This is what you're gonna do.
I don't think you're gonna tell me what to do. I need your driver's license, registration, and insurance. How much have you had to drink today?
Not enough.
Not enough. Come on out after you grab the document.
Please don't.
What do you mean?
For one,
No. Grab your driver's license, your registration
have
and
my-
insurance, and step on out of the vehicle.
I'm calling my husband now before I get out the car.
No, I need you to grab your registration and insurance.
No, sir. No, sir. I'm calling my husband.
Step out.
I'm calling my husband.
Step out.
No, you have.
120. Tone change Hoda High. Officer documents demand Karta High, license, registration, insurance.
Izutin lakta hai lekin legali ikomlian tet bihota hai. Dover hestidino dikati hai. Hutban kokun kan kibakati hai.
Yahan situation maximum escalate ho sakti t. AAP notice carrying Kai's officer Barbar step out command repeat Karta High. Law Mutabik, traffic stop main officer KO driver KO vehicle SE Bahar Nakalni Ka authority Hoda High. Yes Supreme Court precedent SE established high. Tow refusal?
Wo resisting category manya zakta hai.
Driver Ka statement. You're touching me, or for sudden physical movement. Yahan officer announced Karta High. Now you're under arrest for battery. Yahan Deki turning point.
Ek dewi stop of felony battery mein convert ho raha hai.
AAP Kia Sakti Hain officer Kapas or Kia options the job physical contact allegation or resistance J. Officer KO force escalate Karna pad Sakta High.
Grund par le Jeanne qu'à moment attensai.
Get your foot off my back. Officer control hold use Karta High. Yeah compliance technique Hodi High just suspect KO secure Kia Jada High without striking. Short summary. Refusal plus physical escalation equals custodial arrest.
Ab case of dewi nahi raha.
Ab de Kia kaise control panoya yaraha hai.
My life.
Now you're under arrest for battery.
You're touching me. What the? What the?
Be on your back.
What the f?
Hands behind your
Get
back.
your foot off my back. You had to put your foot on my back?
After you slap me, yeah.
I didn't slap you.
It's on camera. You're under arrest for battery on a law enforcement officer resisting. Step up.
How do I step?
And by the way, this is the liquor bottle that I saw you drink.
Good.
Put your butt up.
Go, let me go.
No.
You ain't got to do me like this.
Step up. I'm trying to get you
I
off the
can't
ground.
step up.
Put your legs in front
I
of you.
can't step up. You don't know my...
Put your legs in front of you. Step up.
Listen.
Walk over to the car.
No.
Stop.
What the f did I do wrong?
Resisted me.
Get my... No.
Because that's an open container.
No.
While you're
What did
driving,
I do?
operating your vehicle with
Listen.
a...
I'm on the way home.
I don't care.
Listen.
Okay.
That was nothing.
On some 115 for battery
Move.
and resisting.
Give me my...
3 o'clock. Driver repeatedly Katie high. It was one shot. Lekin legally X shot be impairment create car sock to high. Officer clearly bolt to high. If you would have cooperated, Yahan officer hint dita high cause situation different ho sac DT. AAP notice carrying Kai's officer grit maintain car to high jab suspect body pull car rahi high. Yeah resisting behavior documentation kalia important high.
Ar movement camera pa record ora ai.
Now you're violating my civil rights. Yeah, common reaction, Hodi, high stress arrests main. Lekin procedural reality a high, lawful arrest could door in reasonable force allowed Hodi high. Yahan deki, har second ka impact kitna critical high. Officer announced karta high ko force use karnapada kyunki suspect any slap kia or resist kia. Use of force report main ya justification detail, Hoda high. Curiosity hook. Agar driver calmly step out Cardi, Kia battery charge avoid ho the
Situation up investigative phase ki taraf shift ho rahi hai.
Miranda writes Ka mention at a high. I'm going to tell you your constitutional rights.
Yef custodial interrogation se pechle requiret sa feguard hai.
I need to call my husband.
You ain't calling nobody.
Get my wallet off the floor.
Not right now. So,
Looks, you were one of the ones. I have a lawyer,
good.
Jason Hicks.
Okay.
Call him.
I don't need to.
Get off of me. Man, this
So
is bullshit.
you're under arrest for battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting.
Because I touch you, you touch me.
Because you slapped me, yes.
I didn't slap
On
you.
camera. Right now, you need to calm down and relax.
Get off my arm. You choking me?
No, I'm pushing you against the car.
You don't have to hold your hand on me. I have costochondritis.
Considering you're resisting,
Costochondritis. No, I want you off of me.
I don't care. You're not
You
going
don't
anywhere.
care?
Stay right there.
You ain't got to pull me like that.
I don't want you to go anywhere, and you keep trying to pull your body off the car.
Listen, I want you off of me.
I don't care what you want. I'm telling you what to do.
All right?
5 o'clock. Ab DUI investigation structured format main enter Cardi high. Officer, I test start Carta high, horizontal gaze, nystagmus.
Ap notit ka din kais faiga ko follow kan ko bola zata hai. Yeh involuntary ayerking detect karta yo alcohol impairment ka scientific indicator mana yatare.
Yahan deki professionalism. Even after physical struggle, officer calm tone main instructions da raha high. Fur walk and turn test explain hoda high. Heel to toe 9 steps. Yet divided attention test hoda high. Brain KO X soth balance or instructions process Karn Patty Hain. Driver Katie high anxiety high. I can't do it.
Refusal jaunability. Dono documentation main impairment indicator ban saktein.
AAP Kia expect car rahida?
Kia ye moment coopération main change la secta de achat?
Short summary. Field sobriety tests incomplete.
Officer ke pas sab probable causes strente no chuka ai. Ab chemical test ka phase in bala hai.
It was one shot.
It might have been. And if that was it,
That's it.
if you would have cooperated and done what I
Yeah, but
told
you
you
ain't
to
got to
do,
do this. You ain't got to do this. Listen.
not right now.
No, I can't see. Now
I'm
you're
not-
violating my civil rights.
No, I'm not.
I can't see. Those are my eyeglasses.
Okay, well, I'm not going to lean over in front of you.
Those
After
are
you've
my
already battered me.
eyeglasses. You're stopping me from seeing. Sir, I want my eyeglasses.
Basically.
I want. Hell, do this.
Yeah, just going to have to use force, ripped her out of the car. She slapped my wrist after I told her to get out. She started resisting. About swerved into me, saw her drink this. So, yeah, I'm fine. Like I said, you're under arrest. I'm going to tell you your constitutional rights.
Can I have my eyeglasses? My wallet is on the...
Okay, can you take the glasses from on top of your head? Alright, face me. So I'm going to check.
7 o'clock. Officer announced Carta High. I'm going to charge you with DUI based upon you not being willing to complete the field test. Yahan legal nuance important high. Field sobriety tests mandatory nahiot, lekin refusal suspicion ko eliminate nahi Carta. A breath test offer hoda high. Implied consent law apply hoda high. AAP notice carrying Kai's officer clearly explained Carta High. Refusal equals 1 year suspension. Your prior refusal ho to 18 months.
Driver insiste Cartier à iloyer se bat carn par.
Lekin Yahan critical legal point high. Breath test decision Kalia immediate counsel right apply nahi hoda. Is stage par delay refusal consider ho sakta high.
Situation AB maximum tension pareil.
AAP Kia sakti hain. Kia refusal smart strategy T?
Your eyes, see the finger? Here's what I'm going to have you do. I'm going to have you follow and track the finger. Finger is going to go back and forth in front of your vision. All I want you to do is
Just follow
the finger, not move your
Next
head.
time. Come on.
Understand?
Come on.
All right. Follow and track the tip of the finger. Don't move your head. All the way up the corner. No, we're a little past that. How old are you?
50.
Okay. But no,
Can I just go home?
not right this second, okay? You just step right here with me.
Yes.
I want you to listen to the instructions, watch a demonstration, and then perform as instructed, okay? While you listen, I want you to have a stand in a particular stance. So what I want you to do is put your left foot on the line, right foot in front, heel touching toe.
Left.
On the line, right.
8 heures, confusion pique par.
Officer prior refusal history mention Carta High.
Second offense du ban sakta hai, penalty o sever hozati hen.
Driver emotional breakdown show Carti High. What the you doing force?
Ap notit kadin kai stress audits belai escalate hoza ha hai.
Officer procedural clarity, maintain Carta High. Chemical test ku refusal documentation future court evidence benega. Yahan deki hard decision ka ripple effect. Ek roadside choice. Courtroom consequences. Short transition. Oblegal aftermath key teraf chaltain.
Right foot in front, heel touching toe.
Okay, I can't do this on a normal basis.
I'll try it. Don't walk yet, I just want you to assume the stance.
Try back on Sunday.
Alright, so if you're going to try it, when I tell you to, not before, take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line, okay? When you hit number 9, leave the leader front foot
And
planted.
I can go home?
I can't make any promises, and obviously you're already under arrest, okay? So like I said, when you hit number 9, leave the leader front foot planted. Not yet. Not yet.
I can't do it. No,
Okay, you don't want to try it?
no, I have anxiety.
Okay.
I have anxiety. Look at my license.
I'm going to put you back in cuffs. Can you turn around for me?
No, y'all please call my husband.
I'm put your hands on your back for me. If you cooperate, I'll let you make some phone calls.
Okay, wait a minute.
Hold on.
I'll cooperate.
Well, then stop tensing
No,
your
I'll
arm.
cooperate. Don't touch me like that.
We're talking cooperation. Just relaxing.
Alright, so I'm going to charge you with DUI based upon you not being willing to complete the field sobriety test.
Final outcome. 2 years state probation for felony battery. DUI conviction second offense kasoth. License consequences alag.
Isap ek bodycam clip nahi, I daulai zeminder hai. Starting well parbaita irresponsibility start ujati ai.
Open container plus defiance plus escalation. Sab documented hoda high. AAP notice carrying Kai's situation step-by-step escalate hui. Officer commands, detention, arrest, field tests, implied consent, forced justification, SAB procedural framework, main hua. Yahan deki har second ka impact kitna critical the. Ek decision for dusra or for irreversible legal consequences. AAP kia sakti hain? Kia ya void ho sakta? Is bodycam encounter ka lesson clear high? Cooperation or calmness kabi saps powerful defense hodi high.
Varna roadside stop se courtroom takka safar bohattes hoyata hai.
Okay?
No, because you didn't let me.
I've been asking you to. I'm gonna ask you to.
I looked into the sun.
I'm gonna ask you to take a breath test. Will you take that test?
My lawyer said not to do it.
Okay. If you don't take the test, it's gonna result in suspension of your license for a period of 1 year.
I just got my license
This is your
back.
first refusal, or a period of 18 months. If you
I
have a
just
prior
got my
suspension on your
license
record for refusing a
You know
breath,
what? Just
blood,
take me
or
to
urine
jail.
sample in the past.
Come on, just take
If
me
you
to
refuse a sample, and you
take
do
me
have
to
a
jail.
prior suspension on your record for refusing a prior test in the past,
Listen,
it becomes a
I need to
misdemeanor.
call my lawyer first.
You don't have the privilege to
I'm
one for a
not
breath
talking
test,
to
okay?
anyone. I want to call my
If you
lawyer.
refuse, you have a prior
I'm
suspension
calling
on
my
your record
lawyer
for refusing a prior
because
test in
he
the
went.
past,
He's
it becomes
in
a
court
misdemeanor
today.
of
I
first
want
degree.
to call my lawyer.
If you don't take the test,
I want to call my
it
lawyer.
against you in court, okay? If you've ever been fined for a boating under the influence statute for refusing a BUI test,
No. I know. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What the fuck?
you didn't use force.
What?
I'm gonna do
Put your leg up.
I'll upload the video.
no. Oh, no.
Get the camera on the side.